Alright, here's my bike check for 2013. Start from the beginning. I mean, the front. I got Colt Vans grips with, got the Odyssey bar ends, whatever you want to call them. Then I got Eastern Wonder Years. I don't know the size, so don't ask. I bought them like a long time ago, first started. Got the S&M Redneck XLT stem in Woodland camo. Royal Tree camo. As you can see, Redneck XLT. It's a real nice stem. They don't sell it anymore. Well, in this colorway. Alright, then I got G Sport laced to a Demolition Zero. A Colt D-Heart tire. Everybody has those tires. Then I got one Shadow Little One in black, and then another Shadow Little One in olive. Got FitShift 2 cranks. FitShift 2 forks, not cranks. Alright, my frame is new. I got a Ty Morrow signature. It's a Fiend. Really nice frame. Like, if you're looking for a frame, I suggest a Fiend. Real light. Seem real sturdy. I've only had it for like 3 weeks. But it's real nice. 20.75 ED black. It's got the trip symbol, if you know what the trip is. If you don't, look it up. Colt headset. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Sorry, the focus sucks. Use my iPhone. So, got premium cranks. I think they're 1948, but I'm actually not too sure. Got Colt pedals. Nice. They're alright, but over everything I could suggest Odyssey. Got a Kink seat post. I have a Bone Death seat in leopard, but I got tired of leopard, so I put old pair of jeans over, bleach dyed it. Looks pretty nice to me. It adds a cleaner look. The cheetah is just, I don't know, it was cool for like a month. Got a Colt member sprocket, the first one, the original first one that came out in Rasta. It's good. Got a Machina Catrick chain. It's nice. Another shadow peg. I write 3 because 3's the best, in my opinion. Suckiest part on my bike, real heavy Alienation Black Sheep in black. Then I got a Odyssey Aaron Ross tire, 2.35, and the front tire is a 2.25 Colt. Shadow bottom bracket. Probably, no, the shadow sign's up there. But yeah. This is my bike, and hopefully I have some videos on my channel, friends' channels. Alright.